Ba't talakas ng hangin? Gumagalaw. Parang umuuga. Umuuga, butang ina.
Umuuga siya actually.
Umuuga. Sa malamig, look at that. Wala ko pakita. Oh my God, look. Ala. Abilis. Morning guys. It's our third day here in Sabah, Vietnam. Kakagising lang and we're going to breakfast now. See you later. Guys, we're waiting for our Grab to arrive as we are going to Glass Bridge. Yun yung activity natin today, Glass Bridge and Alpine Coaster. Actually, mga fun rides. 9.5 uli? It is so foggy. Okay guys, we're here now. Just got off from the Grab. Free elevator. Going up. Then, punta kami sa ticket booth sa taas. Hindi ko sure if nasan yung elevator pa. Pero ang taas, oh. Look, ang foggy. Let's go up. Wow. Guys, they have waiting area going up. Let's go. Cave. Pilipas talaga nila yung ano, mountain for this. Ito na yung elevator. I can see it. This airstone. Puro puno.
Made tourist area plans to build a 5-story hotel with about 300 3-star rooms.
Wala, pagi. Oh my God, so high. Para kang nag-rides sa elevator. Parang mga 16 degrees. The stairs. Colorful stairs. Oh my God. Hello. Hello. Parang mas nakakatakot pag may fog. Kasi di mo alam yung mapagsakan mo.
Để lột tả được cái gì cao. Đâu cái này mà để cho nắng.
Sa lamig. And it's so fucking scary here. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Okay, kaya mo yan. Laki ka na. Ayan. Uy, wala. Parang umuuga. Parang umuuga. It's moving, no? 3 layers naman pala yung ano, yung glass. Umuuga, butang ina. Umuuga. Umuuga. Guys, ito yung glass bridge. Sa kabila. Sheesh. Guys, tama ba itong decision namin, Chok? It's crazy. Oops. It's not that scary. Mas nakakatakot sa kabila. Huh? Bangin lang naman, ti. Joke. Ooh, cool. Guys, ito yung bridge, no? Tapos, bridge in the clouds. Kailangan ba natin yan? Joke. Baka hindi na kaya. Oh my God. Let's go up. Let's go up. 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 Okay, may glass bridge pa pala. Ito pa. Huwag lang makahulog dyan. Let's go, guys. We're going up again. Okay. Alam mo yan. Patas siya ng patas pala. Grabe. Ay, coffee shop. Picture tayo doon. Dito. May coffee shop here. Look. Okay. May pataas pa. Pataas na naman. Okay, kaya mo yan. Hello, yun ba nasira na ito dati? Ito oh. Di ba? Bakit may ganito? Mukhang nasira na siya dati or nabasa. Hello, katakot. Gumagalaw. Parang talaga siya gumagalaw. Nakatakot. Ito pa. Bakit may ganito? Bakit may ganyan? Nabasa niyo ba siya? Overthinking malala. Gusto mo yun? Hello. Sige, let's go up again. May hagdan ulit. O, diba? Unending. Okay, let's go. Hala, lakas ng hangin. Lakas ng hangin. Ba't lakas ng hangin? Gumagalaw. Kukunin sa mida. Guys, so lamig. Look at that. Wala ko makita. Oh my God. Look. It's so foggy. Anyway, let's go up. Let's go up. Guys, meron pang gantong rides dito. May cable bike, yung mga flowers, the bridge, hanging bridge, I mean. May restaurant solid here. Buti hindi sila natatakot, no? Look at the foundation, no? Parang stainless steel lang, parang steel lang. Hindi ba? Parang kakatakot pa rin siya. May sira na naman, no? Bakit may mga sira? I think this is the end of the glass bridge. Where are we going?
Makabalik na ito.
Guys, they have zipline here. The elevator station. Dito rin yung daan. Pagod. Hiking. Isa-isa yung hakbang nila yun. Guys, look at them. If nakikita nyo kasi mafag. Pero they are crossing the bridge through clouds. Go guys, kaya nyo yan. Guys, ito yung zipline nila. Going down. Ito pala parang swing nila. Oh my God, dapat mo swing dyan. Joke. May coffee ulit sila here. Villa ba yan?
I think so.
Parang mas malamig dito kumpara kahapon sa Fansipan. We're going down now. Why is it wet? Pray to the stone.
Hi there. Thank you.
What is that? Buffalo. Beef? Ah, beef. This one. Spicy?
Yes, spicy.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. May free taste. Parang tapa ng tamis. Nanghang. Wow, sanggipsal. Galing. Inuulam nila. Ay, souvenir shop na. Hindi na? Ay, dito tayo kanina. Dito na tayo kanina. Ito guys, masarap. Asang tapa lang, manghang. Have coffee? What is your best coffee? Best seller?
Coconut coffee.
Coconut coffee. Okay, one. Thank you. Come on. Is that right? Come on.
Cảm ơn.
Come on. Come on. Okay, okay, good. Thank you. Come on. Okay.
Come on.
Ay, daw, yung paano sila magtimpla.
Oo nga.
To the view of Sapa. Come on. Thank you. Got it. Is that right? Come on.
Cảm ơn.
Okay,
Come on.
Okay, okay daw. Yay. It's okay.
It's okay, no problem.
Thank you for picking up us.
Yes, taking us up. Thank you.
Up us. Picking us up. Going to Alpine Coaster. Wait, Fancy Panview. Ay, nag-charge pa nga. Panalo. Yes, meron din sila mga coffee shop here and some souvenir shop. But let's go to the ticket booth. Okay, so we have to decide now. Okay. Ngayon promo, 100. Pero if babalik tayo, 200 na yung presyo.
Sige, bilhin mo yung promo yan.
One more?
Okay na yun.
Okay, one more. Yeah. 200. Guys, grabe yung marketing nila. Yung ticket namin sa Klook is just one round daw. Pero if you want to try it again, additional 100,000 dong. And then, dapat bili na siya doon sa cashier. Kasi kung hindi daw, yung per ride niya is 200,000 dong na. Parang marketing wise, kailangan mo na mag-decide agad doon sa cashier kung mag-uulit ka ba or hindi. Kahit di mo pa natatry yung mismong coaster. Ah, ito pala siya guys, coaster. Ang laki. Ang haba. Pampa-spray, no? Oo. Okay.
So medium or fat only?
Okay, sure. Okay. Look guys, look at the view. Look at the view. Pagod. May sensor yung likodan ng mga sasakyan guys. May sensor sila. So pag malapit ka na, nag-stop siya. Ang ganda ng view. Ito na! Ito na! Ito na! Up, going up, up, up. Parang matik pala siya. No? Pag pataas, di mo na kailangan i-stop pa siya. One more. Okay. Yes, sir. Thank you. One more. Okay. Napakaganda naman. Guys, we're here in Alpine Coaster for the second time. Yeah, fast.
Second time, right?
Okay, yeah. Fast. Nire-ready nila yung speed. This one is so fast. Ala. Bilis. Ang bilis. And bumabagal na. Ayun, ang bilis. Woo! Bilis! Ayun na, bumabagal na kasi malapit na si ate. Ayun na si ate. Bilis pa ate. Bilis mo ate, bilis mo. Ayun, bumabagal na siya. Sabi, andun. Ayun na ako. Say cheese! Taas. Ang taas mo! Tapos na siya guys. Just waiting for car to be mapataas. Ang ganda. Maganda sana kung maraming rides. Kaso parang ito pa lang yung open na rides dito sa Alpine Coaster. So sayang yung opportunity. We're done. One more? Joke. Joke. It's okay. What? Paragliding? No. Paragliding? Thank you.
Thank you.
Dito pa rin paragliding. Galok siya eh. Ganda pa naman. Ikaw. Come on. Hello. One banh mi, then one coconut coffee, large. Wow. Thank you. Dami.
Come on, see you.
Come on.
Thank you.
Come on. Come on. Time check. It's 5:58. 4:58. 4:58. Almost 5. Going to have a dinner in Smile Elephant. Ayun, light dinner lang. One of the best reviews restaurant here in Sapa. We're going to Smile Elephant for dinner. So that maybe a foot massage rin here in Sapa, Vietnam. Okay yung ihaw-ihaw dito. Saka yung rice. Ang sarap lang maglakad-lakad dito sa Sapa. Lamig. Alam mo yung saktong temperature lang na hindi ka masyado pagpapawisan. Tapos ang sarap sa pakiramdam nung pag ko kinain nung weather. Siguro around 19 degrees. Hindi siya masyado malamig. Sarap lang gumala ng gabi. Medyo buhay siya pag gabi. So, ayun. Magandang maglakad-lakad dito ng mga around 7 PM onwards. May mga bars din here. Kung kakain ka lang din ng dinner, okay rin dito gumala. Smile. Wow. We have banh mi. European, Asian, Vietnamese food.
Enjoy after spring roll come.
Thank you, thank
spring
you.
roll I mix.
Thank you.
Enjoy. Come on.
Come on.
Yeah. Now you eat first, okay?
Okay, sure.
Yeah, yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Perfect. Morning glory pala tawag dito. Sabi natin light lang eh. Si Koy naman namilit. No? Later.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Enjoy.
Hi. Itong lumpia natin. Lumpiang gulay. Pero kaiba lang ata yung wrapper. Mas malambot to.
So, meron siyang pag kinagat na parang...
May noodles, gago. Ang sarap. Good guys. We finish it all. We have free dessert. Pig's meat oil. Okay. Let's try it. Hello. What is your best seller in milk tea? This one? Thank you. First try. my God, oo nga no. Ang good. 25 lang to, meaning 25 pesos lang to. 50 lang to.
50 pesos, yeah.
Ang mura.
Kano ba sa atin?
Hindi, 150.
150 ba?
Yung mga ganito, or 100.
150 ba? Ah, okay.
Di ba? Yung mga milk tea shop. Come on. Thank you. They have good coffee here. Hello, we're back. Hello, food spa. Two food spa. Okay. Yes, we're having foot massage again. Pagod. Init. What is that? Hindi ako naintindihan, guys. It's a tea. It's a tea.
Chưa kịp về thay quần áo gì hết luôn.
The view is so nice here. Guys, buncha for dinner. 2023 and 2024. Yeah. Sa akin ito, number 4. Okay. 3